Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're gonna do another Ipsy versus Boxycharm. So I know everyone's getting their videos out right now. I got mine in the mail a few days ago, so I figured I'd just go ahead and film it because I'm always curious on what different variations people have. So we'll just go ahead and get started, and then at the end I'll tell you which one I prefer for this month. So we'll get started with Ipsy. I love their new boxes that they have. It's just really cute, and it says discover yourself, just as always. So this one came with a bag. I usually like cheetah print, but this one's just, it's a weird kind of brown, so I don't know. No. And then the first thing that I was really excited about was this Gigi Gorgeous blush. And look at that packaging. Isn't that gorgeous? And I wish, because I just saw Leora post hers earlier today. Well, when I watched this, and or when I'm filming this, and she got a bronzer, and I wish I would have gotten the bronzer better, but because this reminds me a lot of the Too Faced. What is it? The one of their blushes, the fruity collection thing. And that's what that looks like. I mean, they're very pretty, but I'll get you some swatches. They're very pretty, and then you can, I wore it yesterday all together. And that's what it's like together. So, I mean, they're fine. I just wish I would have liked the bronzer better. And then this is the Ciate London Dewy Stick, and this is interesting. The packaging's super cute, but it's not really like a highlight. It's like a glossy. It's like, I put it right here. It's like a glossy thing. See, it's kind of sticky, so I don't know. I don't think I'll end up using that one. It says, want a glow that looks like your skin but better? Try this glossy stick illuminator from Ciate London. Let's see, this gel-like balm is made with some kind of butter, I don't know, and hyaluronic acid to add instant radiance to your skin. It says to just gently dab it on bare skin and blend out with your fingers or a brush, or if you're wearing it on top of makeup, swipe fingers over the balm and apply gently with a rolling motion. I'll give it a try. Doesn't mean I won't pass it off to one of my friends. And then, oh, I forgot to say, this one, this blush is worth $24, and this dewy stick is worth $26. So this one, this packaging is dope, like legit. Okay, that made me sound so lame. Okay, this is the packaging, very cute. And then the packaging is very luxe. It is like a square, and then the thing is magnetic, but it's a lipstick, and this is from the brand Bella and Argent. And I just wish that in these boxes they would actually give us colors that we could wear on a normal basis. Something like this, that's like more of a nude. Because they always end up giving us these reds, and how many times a week are you going to wear red? Like, really? I only wear that if I'm like going to downtown, or if I'm like around the holidays. So like, normal people don't wear red every day. And yes, it's a beautiful color, but I don't know. And it ends up being more of like a dark magenta, like bright magenta color. So I mean, I guess you could wear that during the summer because it ends up being a lot lighter, like more of a brighter pink, but I just wish they would have given us a more neutral color. And that one is worth $26, so it is like a higher end brand. And then I do not know how to say this, so if someone knows how to say this, please let me know. I'm gonna say Douce. This is their Punk Volumizer Mascara in black. There you go. And I don't know. This is worth $24. I don't know if it feels like a $24 mascara though, but the wand is really big. So for me, that's fine. But for most people, that's gonna be really big for their eyes. But I like to pack on the mascara, and I have pretty big eyes anyways, so it'll work out for me probably. And then last but not least, this one I think is the one I'm most excited for. This is from Illamasqua, and this is their Hydra Veil Primer. And this thing looks really cool. So you open it up, and it's like got this futuristic like packaging, and I already broke it. I opened it up and I tried to pull, it comes with this little spatula thing, and I was trying to pull it up. Don't do that because it breaks. Pull it out. Wasn't thinking, I was just too excited. And then you open this up, and it's like a putty. It's like a jelly, literally, like, I don't know, but it feels really cool. So, I mean, I'm excited to try it. It says that it is the ultimate time saver. A Hydra Veil is both a hydrator and a primer, moisturizing and soothing your skin in one single step. This futuristic clear gel formula absorbs quick, so it's the perfect step before a foundation application. So I'm excited to try that. And this thingy is worth $45. So that means the total of this whole box is worth $145. So we only paid $25. It's a good deal, but it's not something that I would have gone out and bought. I would have never bought any of these products, really. I mean, I might have bought one of these in a better color. And then if this was the bronzer, I think it would have been worth it. But I would have picked that just for the packaging alone. And then I would have never gotten the dewy stick. I would have never bought in this, but it's pretty cool. So I don't know, once I actually try it, I'll be able to give you a better idea. I have so many mascaras. I have enough mascaras for probably 2 years, so I wouldn't have gone out to buy this, but it looks like it's a pretty good wand. So, you know, there's that. And then Boxycharm. So, you know, we get our standard Boxycharm, and it looks like this on the inside. And I'm so excited. Okay, so for the very first thing is from Dominique Cosmetics, and this is their Celestial Thunder eyeshadow palette. And look at that. You think I would learn, but obviously I'm still clumsy as ever. Look at that packaging though. That is so cool. Okay, I'm gonna do it upside down, and look at that. Look at that. Isn't that so cute? I have her other, what is it? Coffee, cocoa, I don't know, I'll insert the name up here. Packaging or palette. And I really like it. It's one of my like favorite eyeshadow palettes, especially to travel with, because it is more of a neutral palette, but it has something for everything. Like, you have your brow bone, you have your transition, you have a deeper color for the crease, you have a lid color, and you have an outer corner crease color if you want to darken it up. Like, it has an all-in-one eyeshadow palette, so I highly recommend that. Is it like the lemonade? No, I don't know. Anyways, and I will go ahead and swatch some of these without getting it on my shirt. Isn't my shirt so cute? I got it from my friend's boutique. I'll list hers down below. The name is Kendry Collection. Georgia, that's rude. You're interrupting me. Can I help you? These are our conversations we have. No! 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 It's exactly what I didn't want to happen. I got it on my sweater. Alright, so these are the swatches. And this one up here, you're probably not going to be able to see very well. It's more of like a glitter topper, but it looks very pretty. It's a very interesting color story. You get 3 shimmers, or satiny shimmers, and then you get 5 mattes. I don't think I would have picked or I never would have picked this color story, but it's pretty interesting. Kind of gives me a little spring vibes with these last colors, but you know, I will try to put up a look with that. And then this one I could have done without. It is this little brush packet, or these brushes. This is actually from Boxycharm, and you get these brushes, and they're pretty, I mean, they're pretty cool. They're interesting. I like the handles. They feel made very well, but it says this big one is supposed to be a multi-purpose powder brush. And it's also perfect for liquids, creams, powders, or mineral products. And the foundation brush has an oval. This one has an oval base to help with precise foundation placement and seamless blending. These ultra soft brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. So yes, they're very soft, but I tried to use both of them for foundation the other day, and it wasn't my favorite. So, but this one, they're both very densely packed. So if you were trying to put powder, this would like densely pack. Like, I don't know, I guess you could use this for like, you know, this would be good for, you know, baking, because it would pick up so much powder. You could, you know, bake with it. That's a good thought, because I don't know how else I would use them. Oh, this one, I did it again. This one is worth $35, and then these brushes are worth $35 as well. Okay, and then this I was very excited about. This is the Kypress Antioxidant Dew Quench and Glow Serum. And look at that packaging. That's super cute. This is supposed to lavish skin with clenching encapsulated antioxidants, nurturing amino acids, and an array of soothing botanicals. Used as a lightweight hydrator or as a layering piece in your skincare wardrobe. So I would probably use it as in the place of like a hyaluronic acid, you know, just to add extra moisturization to my skin, because you guys know I have very, very dry skin. Even though these lights actually make me look like I'm kind of glowy, and I'm kind of digging it. So I wish I was glowy like this in person. But my skin is like the Sahara Desert. And this thingy, anyways, this thing is worth $90. You only paid $25 for the box. Isn't that crazy? Now, I don't think I would have never gone out and purchased, unless this is amazing, I would have never gone out and purchased this for $90, but I could be eating my words if this thing is amazing. So we'll see. And then this is the Tula Skincare Probiotics and Superfood Star Bright Nourishing and Brightening Cosmic Hydrogel Mask. So these are those, and I'm not, you know, a mask person, so I could do without these. Some people might actually like them. It's got the probiotics to help calm the look of ear inflammation and aid in moisture retention. My dogs have these super cute little collars on them, and they have little bells on them, and they're super cute. Here, come here. Let me see. Look at these. They're so cute. Come here. Yes, I know you love them so much. Okay, the grapefruit is an antioxidant superfood that brightens the appearance of skin. Oh god, Gouda Cola, yep, that's right, is an herb that conditions the skin and helps to improve the look of elasticity. And then chamomile calms, soothes, and helps relieve the look of redness. So you're supposed to leave it on for 5 to 10 minutes. I mean, I'll try it, but, and then the thing that I was also very excited about was we get a Dose of Colors liquid lipstick. And I love these ones. And for once, we actually got a neutral color. Yes, a neutral color that will work. Look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. This is like my perfect, right there. I'll try to put some on. It's pretty much the same color as mine. Yeah. A little bit more brown. See, I never line my lips, but the products always collect around the edges and it always looks like I do. But anyways, so I'm actually excited. This is called Nude Mood, or in the color Nude Mood. And I'm excited. I will actually get some use out of this. Thank you, Boxycharm. And that is, of course, worth $18. So, Boxycharm, as you can already tell, has won. It has a value of $200 versus $145. I would have actually purchased this. I have gone out and purchased this. I don't think I would have purchased this, but I'm very glad I got it. I probably wouldn't have purchased this, but I am glad I got it as well because those colors are very pretty. I would use, you know, these most often, and I could put this in like, or this one in like as a pop in like the lower lash line. Ooh, or I could do this. Ooh, what I might do tomorrow is do like a very orangey kind of look and then use this as eyeliner. I think that would be pretty cool. So, and then I would have never bought these, but oh well. And did anyone else see that? Well, of course you did, it's on camera. Anyways, and I wouldn't have purchased this, but I'll use it. So that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed. I hope this doesn't get up too late because I know by the time you're seeing this, I am posting probably an empties video today, and this will probably come in like 3 more days, so we'll see. But all right, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.